Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Charger versus McLaren, which is better. Follow along as I break down performance, design, comfort, and ownership costs in simple terms. I'll explain where the Charger shines and when the McLaren justifies its price. By the end, you'll know which car matches driving style, budget, and daily needs, so you can make an informed choice without jargon or complexity. Let's talk performance in plain language so you can picture each car on road or track. The McLaren brings precise, razor-like handling and rapid response for twisty roads and track laps. The Charger delivers raw muscle, heavy torque, and thrilling straight-line speed that excites on highways and drag strips. Consider driving style. If you love apexes, pick the McLaren. If you crave thunderous thrust, choose the Charger. Quick recommendation before we continue. If you're juggling meals after test drives, try those leak-proof meal prep containers I mentioned earlier for easy, tidy lunches. They're perfect for storing sandwiches, salads, and sauces without spills, which saves time and stress when you're on the go between dealerships. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals. If this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Comfort and practicality matter if you plan to use the car every day, and I'll keep this simple and relatable. The Charger gives roomy seats, an easy trunk, and better usefulness for errands or passengers. The McLaren trades space for a focused cockpit and lightweight components, which limits practicality but enhances driver engagement. Factor in fuel, maintenance, and insurance when deciding if excitement or convenience is your priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.